Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef keema. First, gather your ingredients. 1 pound of ground beef, 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they become soft and translucent, releasing their sweet aroma. Next, add the minced garlic and grated ginger to the pot, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Now it's time for the spices. Stir in 1 tablespoon of keema masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a half teaspoon of red chili powder for a gentle kick. Add the 1 pound of ground beef, breaking it up with a spoon. Cook until the beef is fully browned, ensuring no pink remains. Once the beef is browned, pour in 1 cup of crushed tomatoes and 1/2 cup of water or beef broth. Stir everything together, ensuring the spices are well distributed. Add 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro and season with salt to taste. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover the pot and cook for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Your delicious beef keema is now ready. Garnish with extra fresh cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for a bright finish. Serve this flavorful dish hot with warm naan bread, fluffy basmati rice, or your favorite flatbread. It's perfect for a comforting meal any day of the week. For an effortless cleanup after your meal, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your homemade keema.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.